Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Today, we're going to talk about Black Dragon. Okay, so you might notice something missing here. Our summer storm hibiscus is gone. Bubba is gone. Bubba was having a bad year. We're not really sure why. We thought possibly it was root rot, or possibly it was just getting so big and so old that it needed to be split. So we actually dug it up, and we're going to move it. We're moving it to another place in our yard where we have a triangle garden. We had one back here, and it's a raised bed that's shaped like a triangle. We're going to put it in there, and we'll see if it comes back next year. We're going to chance putting it outside of this garden because we did have it out there once before, and the deer left it alone. So we'll see what happens next year. So stay tuned on that one. So anyway, let's talk about this. This is our new Cryptomeria Black Dragon. It looks pretty good here, doesn't it? So we're really excited about this. Let me tell you about it. This Black Dragon Cryptomeria can get anywhere from 7 to 10 feet tall, and it can get up to 3 to 5 feet wide. It is hardy in zones 5 through 9, and look at this deep, rich green color that it has on it. I really like it in this spot because it's going to be narrow, and it'll just grow perfectly in this little space right here. These guys like full to part sun, and this is a good spot for that. What we decided to do here, we have lots of spring bulbs in here, and we also decided to put in some lilies through here and some other things that'll be growing through here, and to plant up all around it. You can see we have some little straw flowers in here right now, but we're really excited about this. So if you like it, get one of these for yourself, and it really looks good here, doesn't it? Just imagine this double the size, and it'll look great. So that's all I have for you guys today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and like and comment. We really appreciate that. Also, join us on Instagram if you haven't. That would be wonderful. And until then, I'll see you guys in the garden.